Now we are going to introduce how to edit the bus maintenance data. Please click Car Management and then click Bus Maintenance. Please click Maintenance Data and then select your bus company. You will see all the maintenance record here. Please select one and then click Edit. So you can edit the data here. After finish, please click Submit. And also you can edit the maintenance items. You can type in the quantity and unit price. After finish, please click Submit. Also, you can add application form here. Please type in your payment date. And select what's the method you want to pay. So you can select check. After finish, please click Add. So this application has finished. Also, you can delete this application or check the deposit, deduction, or add payment item, or split. Or confirm the payment. In the end, you can print out this sheet. That's the whole process of how to edit the maintenance data.